Unified Ayushman Bharat PMJ cards. The Health Ministry had recently informed that soon the Ayushman card will be co-branded with the state logo and name of state-specific health schemes as well as the flagship health scheme of the centre. Key points. According to the Ministry of Health, at present, about 20 schemes are being run by many states. Currently, except Delhi, Odisha and West Bengal, all other states and union territories have agreed to co-brand the cards. After this co-branding, their joint name will be changed to Ayushman card. The card will be bilingual in English and the local language. Under the new arrangement, eligible beneficiaries of any government insurance scheme will be able to avail this coverage in any of the 25,000 hospitals impaneled under the central scheme. The central government will provide a cover of 5 lakh rupees, and beyond that individual states are free to add to the insurance package. According to the Health Ministry, about 188.1 million persons have been verified under the scheme till August 17, 2022, out of which updated Ayushman cards have been issued to 141.2 million people. Ayushman Bharat PMJAY. The Ayushman Bharat Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana is a component of the umbrella health scheme, Ayushman Bharat. It was launched in 2018 as the largest health insurance scheme in world to be funded by a government. It was earlier known as the National Health Protection Mission. It covers the expenses for secondary and many tertiary healthcare services. PMJ scheme would provide poor, deprived rural families, and identified occupational categories of urban workers' families as per the latest socio-economic caste census (SECC) data, approximately 50 crore beneficiaries, with health benefits